Good morning, student. Now let me start with the 14.1 exercise. Now in the 14.1 exercise, let me start with the question number 1. In the question number 1, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environmental awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Now here if the method is not mentioned, then you can use any method whatever you feel comfortable. So here the number of plants are given and the number of houses are given. So here you can see that 0 to 2, 2 to 4, this is a continuous data and this one is known as the frequency. So let me start this question. Now here I am using the direct method for this question as there is a small limits. So 0 to 2, this is known as the frequency. तो हमने क्या किया, इस frequency को add कर लिया. The sum of this 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 20. Next here I find out the xi. So the formula is xi is lower limit plus upper limit. The sum of these two divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. Next 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. Next is 4 plus 6, that is 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7. 8 plus 10, that is 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 10 plus 12, that is 22. 22 divided by 2, 11. 12 plus 14, that is equal to 26. 26 divided by 2, 13. So in this way we can find out the xi. Now the next formula, we have to find out fi xi. So this is a frequency and this is xi. So let me multiply both of them. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 5, 5. 5 into 7, 35. 6 into 9, 54. 2 into 11, 22. 3 into 13, 39. Now let me add them, as we have to find out the sigma fi xi. Sigma means the sum of all these numbers. So after adding that we get this 162. Now we have a formula of mean, that is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma fi means the sum of all this frequency that we already find out, 20. So let me put down the value 162 upon 20. So the value is 8.1. So in this way we can find out the answer. This is very simple and very easy. Now the next question let me do with the assume mean method. So here I am taking the question number 6. The question 6 is that the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Here there is given a data, that is expenditure, and this is the number of households. Now we have to find out the main daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So any method we can use here. So here I am using the assume mean method. So in this question I am using assume mean. So let me start with the question. So first of all we have to draw the table. So here this is the continuous data that is given here. So I am taking it like that only. 100, 150, 150, 200, 200, 250 and 250, 300 and 300, 350. This is the data, that is a frequency 4, 5, 12, 2, 2. So first of all let me add them. क्योंकि हमें fi xi तो सॉरी fi तो सम चाहिए चाहिए, तो हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी का ऐड कर लिया और वो हमारा 25 आ गया. नेक्स्ट हमें हर क्वेश्चन में xi चाहिए ही चाहिए. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो वी रिक्वायर द xi. तो हमें क्या करना है xi के लिए, या परफेक्टली ओके, वी हैव टू ऐड देम. इन दोनों को ऐड किया एंड देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट विद द 2. तो व्हेन वी ऐड देम दैट विल बिकम 250. सो 250 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज 125. नेक्स्ट द सम ऑफ दीज थ्री इज 350 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज 175. नेक्स्ट इज 450. 450 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 225. Next is 550, that is 275. 550 divided by 2, 275. 650 divided by 2, that is 325. So in this way we can find out. This is clear, that is very easy. Now the main thing is that we have to find out the a. So we have to find out the a from this xi. So how can we do that? We can choose any term from here, that is your wish. But mainly we try that we have to choose the center one term. So like in this 1 2 3 4 5, so 225 is the center term, so we can choose this one. If there are even numbers, like 6 numbers are here, so you can choose any one number, like in between the two number, that is your wish totally. There is nothing any hard and fast rule ki which one number you have to choose, but that is consider that we have to choose a center one number. और if there is a even number of terms like 1 2 3 4 5 6, अगर 6 नंबर होंगे तो 6 में से आप कोई भी एक नंबर, जो बीच में 2 नंबर्स आते हैं उन दोनों में से कोई भी नंबर आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. दोनों से आपका आंसर इजीली सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे हमारे ए की वैल्यू आ गई 225. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड डी आई. तो डी आई के लिए फॉर्मूला है एक्स आई माइनस ए. एक्स आई ये सारी टर्म्स हैं और ए की वैल्यू अभी हमने ली है 225. तो हमें डी आई निकालने के लिए फॉर्मूला है एक्स आई माइनस ए. तो पहला टर्म है 125. तो 125 माइनस 225, सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस 100. नेक्स्ट 175 में से 225 को माइनस करेंगे क्योंकि ए हमेशा माइनस करना है, तो माइनस 50 आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट 225 में से 225 माइनस करेंगे तो 0. नेक्स्ट 275 माइनस 225, that will be 50, and last 325 minus 225, 100. So in this way we can find out DI. Now we have a DI now. Now according to the formula we have to find out FI DI. So FI DI is 4 into minus 100, that is minus 400. 5 into minus 50, that is minus 250. 12 into 0, that will be 0. 2 into 50, that is 100. 2 into 100, that is 200. Now according to the formula we have to find out the sum of Fi di, that means sigma Fi di. So we just add these numbers and we get that minus 350. So minus 350 is the answer for this Fi di. Now according to the assumed mean formula we have a formula Fi di upon sigma Fi plus a. आप ए इधर भी लिख सकते हो और आगे भी लिख सकते हो, एक ही बात है. अब हमारे पास सबकी वैल्यू है. इसकी वैल्यू माइनस 350 है, सिग्मा एफ आई की वैल्यू 25 है, ए की वैल्यू 225 है. तो अब हमने क्या करना है, वी हैव टू पुट डाउन द वैल्यूज एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दैट वी कैन गेट द आंसर, दैट इज 211. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर. इसका एक मेथड और है जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया है, दैट इज अ स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड. पर उसके क्वेश्चंस हम नहीं, उस मेथड से हम क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वो हमारे सिलेबस में इस बार नहीं है.